Hey everyone! We've all been there, staring at the fridge after a long day, broke and hungry. This is the I'm Broke series where we turn leftovers into delicious meals without breaking the bank. I'm sharing simple, creative recipes that will make you feel like you're eating out, even on a budget. So hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious ideas. Let's get cooking. Alright, first up, we're going classic with a meat sauce pasta bake. We're talking pure comfort food, people. Crank that oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Gotta make sure it's nice and toasty for this culinary masterpiece. Grab 2 cups of that leftover meat sauce, a pound of your favorite cooked pasta penne, rigatoni, whatever your heart desires, a cup of shredded mozzarella because cheese makes everything better, and half a cup of grated Parmesan for that extra cheesy goodness. Now mix that pasta and meat sauce like you're in a culinary conga line. Spread it all out in a baking dish, sprinkle on that mozzarella and Parmesan like it's confetti, and pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's bubbly, golden brown, and your kitchen smells like an Italian trattoria. Next up, we're getting a little fancy with meat sauce stuffed peppers. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gotta show those peppers who's boss. Grab 4 bell peppers, any color you like. It's all about that rainbow life. 2 cups of that magical meat sauce, a cup of cooked rice because every good pepper needs a fluffy friend, and a cup of shredded cheese for that cheesy waterfall effect. Now, cut the tops off those peppers and scoop out the seeds. We're going for deliciousness, not pepper guts. Mix that meat sauce and rice together, stuff those peppers like you're winning a teddy bear at a carnival game, sprinkle on that cheese, and bake them for 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the peppers are tender and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Chapter 3. Meat Sauce. Quesadillas. The cheesy fiesta. Time to spice things up with meat sauce quesadillas. This one's for all you cheese lovers out there. Heat up a skillet over medium heat. Gotta get that pan nice and sizzling. You'll need 2 cups of that meaty goodness, 4 large tortillas, flour or corn, you. A cup of shredded cheese because you can never have too much cheese. And some optional toppings like sour cream and guacamole for that extra fiesta in your mouth. Spread some meat sauce and cheese on 1/2 of each tortilla, fold them over like you're tucking in a burrito, baby, and cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until they're crispy and golden brown and that cheese is all melty and gooey. Chapter 4. Meat Sauce. Sloppy Joes. The ultimate comfort food. Last but not least, we're going for the ultimate comfort food, meat sauce sloppy joes. This one's a classic for a reason, folks. Heat up 2 cups of that leftover meat sauce in a skillet over medium heat. Gotta wake up those flavors. Grab 4 hamburger buns, toasted or untoasted. It's your party. A cup of shredded cheese because cheese is the glue that holds everything together. And some optional toppings like pickles and onions for that extra crunch and tang. Spoon that warm meat sauce onto those buns, sprinkle on that cheese, and get ready for a flavor explosion. Leftovers? More like flavor savers. There you have it, folks. 4 amazing ways to use up that leftover meat sauce. You've got your classic pasta bake, your fancy stuffed peppers, your cheesy quesadillas, and your ultimate comfort food sloppy joes. No more sad, lonely leftovers in your fridge. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. And remember, as I always say, stay delicious.